Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys here. Wow, all are nice and beautiful, and these all are serially arranged. And now I will hand drive all of this vehicle with my hand. At first is V2 racing car, so let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this V2 racing car. See this one is black, red, blue and white color combination. And next one is 3D DS Tarzan car here, so let's go. Friends, I parked here beside this V2 racing car. See this one is a yellow, pink, blue and black color combination. Wow. And next one is police helicopter. Wow, this one is cartoony police helicopter, so let's go. I parked here beside this 3DS Tarzan car. See this one is paste pink and green color combination police helicopter. And next one is a heavy duty feluder here, so let's go. Wow, friends, I parked here beside this police helicopter. See this one is red and black color combination feluder. And next one is under construction vehicle mixer truck here, so let's go. Wow, I parked here beside this heavy duty feluder. See this one is yellow, white and black color combination mixer truck. And next one is emergency vehicle ambulance here, so let's go. Wow, I parked here beside this mixer truck here. See, there is a yellow color, black color, white color, pink color and paste color combination ambulance. And there is the last one is very nice color combination Spider-Man car here, so I will try this one also. Friends, I parked here this Spider-Man car. This one is very nice and colorful. There is a black, yellow, pink and white color combination here. So friends, all of my vehicles are hand driven and serially parked here. So I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.